Nail clips. The plastic soak-off nail clips are designed with flexible springs and anti-slip, easy to open and tightly hold your fingers, won't hurt your nail bed, perfect for removing nail polish, polygel, dip powder. Nail accessories tools. The fingernail polish remover tools include nail polish remover pads for polish remover, finishing wipe, nail files and buffer block, easy to shape and smooth your nails. The fingernail brush is convenient to clear dust, cuticle pusher help to quickly remove gel. Wide application. The gel nail polish kit are suitable for finger or toenails removing UV gel, acrylic nail, dipping powder, professional nail art tools for salon or home use, time and money. Easy to use. Soaking cotton wipes with 100% acetone, and using nail clips with wipe pads to hold your nails about 15 to 20 minutes, then scratching off nail plate residue gels with cuticle pusher. How to clean. The nail polish remover clips are washable and reusable, easily to clean and disinfect, just soak in mild soap water and air dry. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job nicely. I appreciate the fact it doesn't keep me enslaved to the soaking bowl. It fits any size nail. You just have to adjust accordingly.